Nobody taught you this in school. Not your teachers, not your parents, maybe not even your boss. And that's the real reason you're broke. Not because you're bad with money, not because you're lazy. You just never got the blueprint. In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna give you that blueprint. The one school skipped, the one rich people use, the one that works even if you're starting with zero. Don't skip this. Watch to the end. Why you're stuck. Here's the truth. School teaches you how to get a job. It does not teach you how to build wealth. Those are two different skills. A job trades your time for money. That's it. You stop working, the money stops too. That's not wealth. That's survival. Wealth is different. Wealth means your money works even when you don't. It means you have control. Not your boss, not your bills, you. So why don't most people have this? 3 reasons. Listen close. 1, they spend first and save what's left. That's backwards. 2, they think one big paycheck will save them. It won't. Big income with no plan just means big spending. 3, no one ever showed them the steps. Until now. The 4 pillars of the blueprint. This blueprint has 4 simple parts. Master these and you change your life. Let's go one by one. Pillar 1. Pay yourself first. Before bills, before fun money, before anything. The moment money comes in, move a piece of it to savings. Even 5%, even $10. This one habit flips your whole money story. You stop being the last person who gets paid from your own paycheck. Pillar 2. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, write down everything you spend. Every coffee, every ride, every bill. This isn't about shame. It's about seeing the truth. Most people are shocked by where their money actually goes. Pillar 3. Kill the debt that's killing you. Not all debt is the same. Credit card debt is a fire. It spreads fast. List your debts, smallest to biggest. Pay the smallest one off first while making minimum payments on the rest. When that small one is gone, you'll feel something powerful. Pillar 4. Make your money multiply. Saving protects you, but growing your money is what builds real wealth. Once your debt is under control, every extra dollar should go towards something that grows. A retirement account, an index fund, something simple and steady. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to pick stocks like a genius. You just need to start. Time does the heavy lifting, not luck. 4 pillars. Pay yourself first. Track it. Kill the debt. Grow the rest. That's the blueprint. The discipline behind it. Now here's what nobody tells you. The blueprint is simple, but simple is not the same as easy. You will want to quit. You will see something you deserve to buy. You will feel behind when you compare yourself to others. That feeling is normal. Push through it anyway. Discipline is not about being perfect. It's about showing up again after a bad week. Missed a savings goal? Start again tomorrow. Overspent? Start again tomorrow. Rich people are not smarter than you. Most of them just made a decision once and then kept making it every single day after that. That decision was this: I will control my money before it controls me. Say that to yourself right now, out loud if you can. You now know what most people never learn. Pay yourself first. Track your spending. Crush your debt. Grow your money. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about becoming someone who never goes back to broke. If this helped you, like this video and follow for more. Drop a comment with the pillar you're starting with today. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together.